At Falaya, we talk a lot about how important it is to get exposure for your listing. But what does that mean? In this video, I'll explain what's included in maximum exposure and how Falaya gets your listing the exposure it needs to have success. When you complete your listing application, our team of experts will take that information and input it into the appropriate MLS for your area. Then, home search sites pull that information from the MLS and display it on their site with something called an API connection. This is true for any site where you can find active properties for sale, whether it be a national home search site, a brokerage website, or even a local agent site. This is the power of Falaya. You're able to get your listing on every home search site within minutes, rather than painstakingly taking hours to manually input your property on just a few sites. Get your property the exposure it needs. List with Falaya today.